Hey guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe down below. Do it. So tired. Anyways, today I'm going to be going to lunch with my brother and my friend Ryan, and then we'll probably do something. I don't know yet, but whatever happens, of course I will bring you guys with me. And yeah, let me show you guys my outfit. This shirt is clearly from Tommy Hilfiger, if you guys couldn't tell. Then my pants are from Rag & Bone. And my shoes are from Jeffrey Campbell. I'm obsessed with these. I think they're so dope. And that's the fit for today, guys. This is a NARS lipstick in the shade Orgasm, by the way, if anyone's wondering.
We do a twin channel.
Definitely not. Wow, this is so tricky. Look. Guys, I want to see The Incredibles so bad. Say hi to my vlog, guys. This is Ryan. You guys have met Ryan. And then I don't know who that is. Oh, they're married, I guess. RJ. This is weird. Bye. I'm just wearing these black Lululemon leggings and then a little sports bra and then this shirt that I cropped. I think it's from Vineyard Vines. Yeah. I want to get some cool, like, fun colors of, like, workout clothes. Oh my god, I nailed that!
Everybody wants to be famous. Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing that I do is run 2 miles on the treadmill. So I just do like a quick start. Then I do always a 2.0 incline and then a 6.0 speed. And then I just run 2 miles of that. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys what I do after the treadmill and then like all the butt workouts that I do. From the gym. I'm in my car waiting because my mom is returning a pair of shoes right now. But the gym literally kicked my ass today. Just want to say that was like a little mini workout routine. That was definitely not my full workout, but it was just so hard to film because I was filming myself and I was trying to make like a self tripod. It was really difficult. But if you guys want like a full workout routine video dedicated to that, just like not a vlog, then comment down below, or in a vlog. I don't know. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Anyways, I'm gonna go home soon, so I will just see you guys there. Just got home and I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna make myself a little snack. Hi guys, it is a new day and today is actually Father's Day, so I'm in a rush right now and I'm really quickly trying to make an intro and I'm probably not making any sense right now. Anyways, we are going to be going to brunch today and yeah, I'm really late, so let's go. Really quick, this is my outfit. My shirt's from Cherry, pants are from Rag & Bone, then my shoes are Dior. Happy Father's Day! Say hi guys! Thank you. Wow, look at that angle. Every angle. Did you guys know he was coming to Japan? Do you have something to tell yourself, your future self in 10 years when you watch this again?
It was getting to be too wild.
No, okay. Bye. Oh, he actually does.
So this is myself 10 years from now telling me what I should do now?
Yeah, or something.
Yeah, so enjoy these next 10 years. Spend as much time as you can with your daughter. Because she's going to grow up, get married, have kids.
Wait, stop. This is way too sad.
And won't want to talk to me.
That's not true. That just took such a depressing turn. Hey guys, I'm editing my video, as you can tell right up there. While I was editing, I realized I don't have an outro, so here I am. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment, subscribe down below, please. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.